So welcome to a new session. So in this session, I'll get an array and try to fill the elements in that array. So to start off, so I'll ask the user that how many integers in an array I want. So and then I'll use scanner class with an input object and we'll try to instantiate it using system dot in. And so this scanner class and input object will actually help me to get an input. So this object will call method called input dot next int. And so what I'm trying to do here is, firstly I'm asking the user for the number of integers that he or she wants to enter. Then I'm creating an object called input, uh, and the class is scanner here. And then I'm trying to just get value to a keystroke by using input dot next int method. So it will store it in the integer variable called number of integers. So if right now I'm gonna just quickly show you, um, so number of integers is, so I'll just try running this. So I ask user to get number of integers, say I enter 10, so it says so the number of integers is 10. Okay, so I'll not need this line anymore, so I'm gonna just comment it out. And then I'll create my array. So my array, since my array is an integer array in this case, so say I'll call my array number 1, and then uh, to allocate the memory to the array, I'll do this. So I have an integer array. So to the allocate the memory, I have write int number of integers. So I would have an if I say I write the number of integers at 10, then my array can store 10 elements. So then I'll try to start filling in the array. So I'll just write please fill the array, and I'll use for loop to solve my purpose. I is equal to number of integers. So I'll again use a scanner class input object and will instantiate it. And then I'll go on to fill my array. Again I use the above class and this object, and this object will again gonna call this method to fill the array. So here I'm gonna write, so I'll make sure one thing, that I name is a different object. So here I'll call input 1, otherwise the program will get confused between input and input 1. So input 1 dot next int, and also my array name was array 1, so I'll just make an amendment here and I'll try filling it. So say number of integers 3. Please fill the array. I'll say 1, 2, 3, and you'll say the program terminated. Here it's written. So this is the way I'm gonna fill in the array in this question, and I hope you like my video.